Hi children, good morning. I hope that by the grace of God you all are good. Today we will study social studies. Okay? Children, take out the chapter 8, page number 39. B, fill in the blanks. Okay? Number 1, when we want something we say. Something we say. So, you write here, children, please. Okay? B, when we hurt someone we say. So, write here, sorry. We must stand in a queue. Always throw the waste things in the garbage. So, follow me, children. First, when we want something we say, please. Okay? When we hurt someone we say, sorry. We must stand a queue. Always throw the waste things in the dustbin. Okay? Next, C, say true or false. We should shout in the class. We should throw waste things on road. We should keep our home clean. We should not help our neighbors. So answer is first, we should shout in the class. Wrong. To write here false. Okay. Next, we should throw waste things on road. Wrong. This is false. We should keep our home clean. Yes. True. We should not help our neighbors. Is false. Okay. Next, questions. Number 1, what are the golden words what we should always remember? Number 1 answer D. Everyone follow me, children. Number D answer. The golden words that we should always remember. Always remember. We should always remember are thank you, sorry, and please. Okay. Number 2, where do we you learn good manners from? Answer. We learn good manners from our parents, teachers, and elders. Number 3 question. When we get something from others, what should we say? We should say thank you. When we get something from others. Number 4 question. What should we say when we do something wrong? We should say sorry. When we do something wrong. What should you say if you ask something from others? We should say please. Okay, please. When we ask something from others. Finished. So, repeat again. What are the golden words that we should always remember? Number 1 answer. The golden words that we should always remember are thank you, sorry, and please. Where do you learn good manners from? We learn good manners from our parents, teachers, and elders. Number 3 questions. When you get something from other, what should you say? We should say thank you when we get something from others. Number 4 question. What should you say when we do something wrong? We should say sorry when we do something wrong. Number 5 question. What should you say if you ask something from others? We should say please when we ask something from others. So children, learn and practice nicely. Okay children? So children, practice whatever I taught to you. Bye bye.